Sinoeuro Machinery Manufacturer is a professional manufacturer with 24 years experience for veneer peeling, plywood machinery solutions plant with factory layout and processing technology. It covers 8,000 square meters with more than 50 R&D and after-sales service technicians. Sinoeuro Machinery is a leading brand for wood-based panels machinery. We provide one-stop complete solution services. We offer the whole industrial chain services, first from A to Z machinery investment plan scheduling, technology support on technology transfer, flowchart drawing, production process procedure, plant construction, and production material supply, etc. Second, we have distribution channels. We help our customer to explore market for his finished products. Sinoeuro is your trustable partner. We value commitments, quality assurance, clients-focused, and service-driven. We are committed to provide customers complete solutions for veneer peeling line, plywood making plant, LVL, blockboard, PB, OSB production line, etc. Main equipment include wood veneer peeling machine, veneer dryer, glue spreader, pre-press, hot press, core composer, double sizer saw, sanding machine, boiler, and related plant accessories, etc. We give 1-year warranty for exporting machines and online free service. We have CE certification and SGS approved. Our engineers are available to abroad for machine installation and worker training. We can also provide with technology support on customers' projects like technology transfer, flowchart drawing, production process procedure, plant construction, and production material supply, etc. With high-quality equipment and experienced technology support, your machine can be customized with OEM machines. Welcome your kind inquiry and visit our factory.